Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about why Game of Thrones ending may reflect Stranger Things Season 5 final. Finn Wolfhard voices concern. Separately, the Duffer brothers told Empire that the last season would reflect the famed Battle of Bastards from Game of Thrones, written by Ayushi Agrawal, journalist update on 17th October 2025. Stranger Things 5 is only weeks away from its final and the cast is speaking about their current thoughts ahead of the highly awaited end to the show. Speaking to Time magazine, actor Finn Wolfhard compared it to the famed world of Game of Thrones, which was thrown into turmoil following the release of its last installment. Possessing a similarly dynamic fan base, the cast and crew have expressed praise over violent reactions. Stranger Things 5 stars dear Games of Thrones like and I think everyone was pretty worried honestly. Finn Wolfhard shared the way that Game of Thrones got torn to shreds in that final season where we are all walking into this going we hope to not have that kind of thing happen but then if we read the scripts we knew that it was something special. The actor is referring to the massively divisive feedback that the eighth and final season of the show faced after an unsatisfactory ending. While many began criticizing the writers, directors, and main creators of the show, it was the actors who had to face the absolute wrath of the charged fans, who could not believe or accept the ending. Across its own four seasons so far and the fifth one on schedule to release later next month across three parts, the series is eyeing a greatly anticipated final with the return of all its major characters and the fictional town of Hawkins, Indiana. The party has a lot on its plate to tackle as Upside Down is thrown into choice once again. 11 Mike, Bill, Lucas, and Dustin, as well as Max, who is in a coma, have to face Vicana once again. The following cast members are all set to return for the upcoming season: Winona Ryder, David Harbour, Finn Wolfhard, Millie Bobby Brown, Keaton Matroza, Caleb McLaughlin, Noah Schnapp, Siddhi Singh, Natalia Dyer, Charlie Hayden, Joy Carey, Maya Hawke, Perry Frickson, Britt Kelman, Cara Buono, and Jamie Campbell Brown. Stranger Things 5 will air its Volume 1 on November 26, followed by the other two parts on Christmas and New Year's Eve. Also read when Wolfhard teases Stranger Things conclusion ahead of season 5 release says it could not have ended better. Credits Netflix, Time Magazine, Empire. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.